Hello everyone, welcome back to NJ, the auto consultant. Nissan has officially launched its all-new Nissan Tecton, a brand new mid-size SUV that takes on popular rivals like the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Tata Sierra, Renault Duster, Honda Elevate, Volkswagen Tiguan, Skoda Kushaq, and Maruti Grand Vitara. So, what does the new Tecton bring to the table? Let's cover everything you need to know, including its design, engine options, features, safety, pricing, and whether it's worth considering. Pricing, let's start with the price. The Nissan Tecton starts at an introductory price of 10.49 lakh rupees ex showroom, while the fully loaded Tecna Plus DCT goes up to 18.59 lakh rupees. With multiple variants on offer, Nissan has positioned the Tecton competitively in one of India's most popular SUV segments. Exterior design kar. The Tecton features Nissan's latest design language. At the front, you get a bold V-motion grille, sleek split LED headlamps, and an aggressive bumper design. On the sides, it comes with 1.7 INCH alloy wheels, roof rails, strong body cladding, and a muscular SUV stance. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar gives the SUV a premium and modern appearance. Overall, the design is rugged, and many people are already calling it the Baby Patrol because of its resemblance to Nissan's flagship SUV. Engine options. The Tecton is available with two turbo petrol engine choices. The first is a 1.0-liter turbo petrol engine producing 100 PS of power and 166 Nm of torque, paired with a 6 SPED manual transmission. The second is a more powerful 1.3-liter turbo GDI engine, delivering around 156 PS and 250 Nm of torque. Buyers can choose between a 6 SPED manual or a 6 SPED wet clutch DCT automatic transmission. As of now, Nissan has not announced any diesel or hybrid version. Interior and features. Step inside, and the cabin feels modern and premium. The Tecton comes equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a wireless phone charger, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, automatic light control, rear AC vents, and premium upholstery. It also includes Google built-in services, over-the-air software updates, and connected car technology that lets you remotely lock or unlock the vehicle, start the engine, control the AC, track the vehicle's location, and much more. Safety. Safety is one of the Tecton's biggest highlights. It has received a 5 STAR Bharat NCAP safety rating and comes standard with 6 airbags across all variants. Other safety features include electronic stability control, hill start assist, a 360 DGRE camera, front and rear parking sensors, and an electronic parking brake. The SUV also offers Level 2 ADAS, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and driver attention alert, making it one of the most advanced SUVs in its segment. Space and practicality. The Tecton offers approximately 470 liters of boot space, over 200 mm of ground clearance, and a spacious 5-seat cabin, making it a practical option for both daily commuting and long family trips. Final verdict. Overall, the Nissan Tecton looks like a strong package. It combines bold styling, a feature-rich cabin, powerful turbo petrol engine options, a 5 STAR safety rating, Level 2 ADAS, connected technology, and competitive pricing. If you're planning to buy a new mid-size SUV, the Nissan Tecton definitely deserves a place on your shortlist. So, what do you think about Nissan's latest SUV? Is it better than the Creta, Seltos, or the new Duster? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NJ, the Auto Consultant, for more automotive news, reviews, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.